Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So watching the thumbnail, you might have guessed. So in this video, we're going to be building a 3D website with literally zero line of code. So this is what the website looks. So we have a logo here, some text here with a button, and then this background. You see that this is really cool. You can interact with the mouse. You can also interact with these trees along with this small little pond, this trunk, and also this pig, even these stones. So this is really neat. This is really cool. We're going to be building this in today's video. So the source code is down in the description. So without any delay, let's get started and let's learn how to build this. So this is the code that we have, and then this is what it looks. Now, I'm not going to be diving too deep into what we have here. So we basically have a main div, and then the content is wrapped inside of a content div with a logo, and then the caption, which has a heading, and then some text in p tag, and then we have a button like this. Now, the CSS of this is obviously available in the source code, so you guys can download and play with that. Now, the way we build the background or the 3D model is you just got to go to this Spline. Now, click on this getting started, and then sign in with Google. So let's hit continue. Alrighty, so it asks for the name. You can just fill in with dummy stuff here. So just developer, whatever. So no, I don't know, from Google. All right, so once you're done filling in the details, it will bring you to this dashboard. Now, keep in mind that this is premium, so the way you use it is with some of the CSS tweaking. So I'll just show you just in a bit. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna see examples from library. So they have a bunch of models here. So you're gonna come over and search for interactive 3D, and then the one that I used was this. So this takes some time to load. All right, so after this is done loading, you're gonna be getting this pop-up. So you just skip for now. Now here you get the environment. Now obviously you can modify, you can change the colors. So you can see that we have a panel here. So you can play with these, and then also you have the camera, the different models here. So you can play with these as well. Now I'm not gonna be diving too deep into these. So the way you get this is you basically come over here, click on this export, and then here we do some of the settings here. So you come over to this viewer. So this is the script and the spline viewer. So here so obviously you cannot remove their watermark, which is built with Spline. So if you click here, they would ask for some payment. Now, which I'm going to be showing you how you can overcome this. So here, the loading, you can select the dark version or maybe the lighter one. You're going to come over to this play settings, and here you're going to select. So first you're going to remove the zoom. So on scroll, we don't really want any zooming. And then again, on hover, we don't. Okay, so on hover, we want some effects. So you're going to click on this, and then yeah, I think that's it. So you're going to update the viewer. And then once that is done, you're going to just copy this code, and then you're going to come here in the index.html file, and then you're going to paste the script tag and then the spline viewer tag here, and then you're going to save, and then it's going to show a loader, and then it will display the model, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Now, there's one single thing. So I have here a CSS written. So when you load this, obviously you won't have this CSS stuff. So it would look something like this. So what you want to do is you want to target this spline viewer. You want to scale it up by 1.2, which would basically hide this button. And then you want to set position absolute and then set the Z index to 2, so that the content can be above the background. And you're going to save, and that's it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope this was helpful. The source code is down in the description, so obviously feel free to use it. And so yeah, if you like the video, please like it, share it with your friends and family. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.